broke that trust. Don't make that face and pretend as if you don't know what I'm talking about.
Love changes everything.
Everything that came out of your mouth was a lie.
Aren't you just gonna gather some balls and talk to this girl?
And I've tried so many times to get her out of my head, but it's not happening.
You don't expect him or expect every man to be the next Aliko Dangote. Only few people can give you that. And so when you have it, you don't lose it.
I can't leave Kotadi.
Who was that for?
I love
And
everything is gonna be fine now.
I'll take it easy. Just open up.
slowly.
Easy now. That's it. It's in.
What am I going?
It was too exposed. I have to keep it for safekeeping.
Oh, is it safer? Round your neck.
Tell me what to stand, who to talk to, what to do, when to go, when to come back.
How are you gonna pay me back, Timmy? I love you.
With what? This sagging breast of yours.
Brenda!
Have you seen Wedding Party?
Yes, yes.
I produced it.
Oh my God, you're not serious. Don't
I'm
tell.
more than serious. I make stars. Mercy Johnson, Mercy Aigbe.
Please help me. I really want to act.
I was just talking to the scriptwriter and I'm just planning on how to sack her this one. Yes, she's giving me attitude.
I can give it to you anyhow you want it.
Flexible on screen.
I'll give you leg over. I can give you shaku shaku, anyone you want, even leg back.
Your future, bright.